How to add credit or debit card on PayPal account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add credit or debit card on PayPal account. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open PayPal application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Or you may also go to the official website of PayPal. Here, once you open the application, after logging into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the wallet icon. You can simply tap on this wallet icon, or you may also tap on the three horizontal bars at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the menu section. Now in this page, here look for Add Banks and Cards option. Once you get it, simply tap on this option, and then at the bottom you'll be able to see two different options. Here select Debit and Credit Cards option. Again, you will be presented with two different options here. In order to link your card, either you can scan your card or you may enter the card info manually. If you want to scan your card, then simply select the Scan Your Card option. Then you will need to place your camera in the card and scan it. After that, the details will be automatically filled. And if you'd like to enter the details manually, then select the second option, Enter Your Card Info. By doing so, a pop-up will appear here. Now here you will need to fill in these details. In this first text box, enter the 16-digit card number. Once you have entered it, now you will need to enter the expiration date. Tap on this expiration text box and enter the date. After that, enter the security code that you can find at the back side of your card. Now after adding all of them, tap on this link card button at the very bottom. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to select the card network. Tap on card network and then select a type of card. Once after selecting it, tap on the continue button below. After that, you will be able to see the card network has been added. Now you can simply tap on link card button at the very bottom, and now it will start verifying the card, and after that you will be able to add this card to your PayPal account. So by following these steps, you should be able to add a credit or debit card to your PayPal account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.